Okay, well, I hear that there are people that don't know how to launch their PlayStation 1 games. I'm hoping that you can hear me just fine. In the off chance you can, that's great. And so in that case, we will get started. When it comes to getting your PlayStation 1 game, you want to go to your computer first. A lot of times the shortcut is on the desktop, but if it's not, that's fine. We'll get to that in a moment. So what we'll do is we'll go to where you stored it, and so in a lot of cases, people only have one hard drive. So when you go to your computer, you only see local disk C. I have many hard drives, so that's fine. Then what we'll do is we will then go to where we saved it, and for me, I just put it in a folder I called PS1 stuff, or Swan stuff, or Psun stuff. I don't know. Anyways, so then from there, you go to your the exe file. Ignore everything that's in here, because those are not necessary to go into, but you need to keep them on your thing. Do not delete them or anything. They're just good for that. They're there for the thing to work. Anyways, then what you do is you would then go to the shortcut. If you have two of them here, an application and a shortcut, you want to click the shortcut over the application, because that way it'll launch it properly and everything. If you don't have a shortcut, then you just click the exe, and that's perfectly fine. From there, you want to just click Run ISO, and then we'll go down to where there's a game that we want to play. So let's just say I want to play, I don't know, just slap some Tony Hawk on you, because that's a game everybody's familiar with. Alright, well, aside from the fact that there's some audio coming out, damn, should not have had that sandwich earlier. Let's take a look. I did it. I can't tell if he's smiling or not. He looks like he's not smiling, though. He looks like he's just kind of meh. Cool, we got that done. No, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna save it, though. Now there should be a emulated memory card. It will not take up more than 8 megabytes of space. If it does, then you have something else going on. Alright. And just like that, we beat the level in Tony Hawk. That was really easy. Alright, well, hopefully you enjoyed that as much as I did, and hopefully you got some information out of it. I hope you watch more of my videos, and I will be sure to make more videos. Not like this, though. This is just a tutorial video for anyone who doesn't know how to do it. But I'll be making more animations later. Right now, life has been getting in the way and making things a little difficult, and because of that, I have been a little slow with uploading animations. I meant to have one up by February, but that's a little far behind us now, isn't it? But I will do my best to have an animation out before the year's over, even if it's a simple one, and I will see you when I see you.